So you're thinking about moving to the Boston area? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. We're going to show you around Tyngsborough, Massachusetts, and actually do what we always do. We'll take you around and show you 4 different homes and 4 different price points in the $600,000, $700,000, $900,000, and $1 million range. So if that's your budget, you can see what you can get in that price range here in Tyngsborough. Also, we're right here at Roller Kingdom, which is an indoor roller skating rink right here in Tyngsborough. And most people believe once you get outside of Boston that there's limited options and you need to travel for everything. But that's certainly not the case here, and we'll jump right into that. Again, we'll take you around and show you those 4 different homes. We'll drive you around the neighborhood so you can see them for yourself. And we're going to get after it right now. And if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in the Boston area and the surrounding areas, just like Tyngsborough, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Boston. Hey, my name's Thomas with the Living in Boston team, and we get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help to make the smooth move to Boston, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to make a move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'll be happy to help you make a smooth move to Boston. So Tyngsborough is a town in northern Middlesex County, Massachusetts. It's 28 miles from Boston and located right on the income and sales tax-free New Hampshire state line. Population is just under 13,000, so you get the small town feel as well. And as far as activities and things to do, you get Sherburne Nature Center, Funtageous Fun Center, Roller Kingdom, which is right here, the Butterfly Place, Max's Country Golf, which is a driving range, ice cream stand, and batting cages. You also have Vesper Country Club and the AMC Movie Theater. As far as restaurants, tons of options, but you have Smoky Bones, Bahama Breeze, Comet's Diner and Dream Diner, as well as La Santa and Cazadores, Thai Delicacy, the Sandbar Beach Club and Grill, Flint's Corner Sub Shop, and then Sullivan Farms for some of the best ice cream around. Also, you have plenty of shopping plazas and easy access to grocery and the Pheasant Lane Mall. You also have everything you need for your everyday needs, as I just mentioned, and you even have lake access to Lake Muscuppick for your boating, fishing, swimming, and water activities as well. As you can see, everything you need for your everyday needs is right here in Tyngsborough. So let's jump into what we always do and check out some homes, and then we'll show you around the neighborhood so you can get a feel for them for yourself. We're going to get after it right now. Here we are coming up on our first property. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath, just under 2,300 square feet, and priced right at $630,000. With this property, it's actually walking distance to Lake Muscuppick, and this home also offers a large 2-room master suite and a front-to-back family room, along with a fireplace and pellet stove. It's also an open floor kitchen with lovely granite countertops, tiled backsplash island, and stainless appliances. Also, the fenced-in backyard boasts an in-ground pool with a new pump that was installed in 2018, along with 2 sheds, an irrigation system, and has been professionally landscaped, along with an oversized garage with extra storage and workspace. Also, the unfinished basement offers endless possibilities, and you get the best of both worlds here with a pool along with walking distance to the lake or the beach. So here is what you can get for $600,000 in Tyngsborough. So here we are at stop number 2, coming up on a 4-bed, 2-bath, just under 2,500 square feet, and this is priced right under 720,000. This is incredible because it's perfectly situated on the highest point in town and your dream home awaits you here. The character and charm flow throughout this 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with a beautiful dining room along with crown molding in the primary and custom built-in cabinets with bay window and window seat in the living room. Entertaining is definitely a breeze in this open concept kitchen and sitting room, along with direct access to the deck and screened in porch, which are both overlooking the flat, massive backyard where you can envision your kids or pets happily playing. The kitchen also features a high quality Gen Air wall oven and microwave, along with a combo of a gas cooktop range with downdraft ventilation. The lower level also has been updated with fresh paint, luxury vinyl flooring, and recessed lighting. Another bonus with this property is there's a room that is attached that can be used as an office, playroom, or craft room, along with a whole generator, irrigation system, and a 2-car oversized garage, are just a few of the many features of this home. So here is what 700,000 can get you here in Tyngsborough. So here we are coming up on our third property. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath, just over 3,800 square feet and priced right below 900,000. Really, with this property, your vacation starts every day when you pull down the driveway of this wonderful colonial that's set on just shy of 3 acres and offering stunning river views set right at the end of a cul-de-sac. So plenty of privacy and plenty of space inside and out. This is truly an oasis. Whether you like the boating lifestyle or just enjoy beautiful sunsets from the deck, you will not be disappointed here. The interior also has an open concept with even more potential to finish the 3rd floor and or basement. Master bedroom features an additional room which is perfect for a nursery, office, or etc. So this is what 900,000 can get you here in Tyngsborough, a beautiful home right on the water. And we'll get right after. So here we are at our 4th and final stop. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath, just under 2,500 square feet and priced right at 1.1 million. This is a custom built, beautiful home that includes central air, fireplace, sauna, jacuzzi, along with a gleaming hardwood floor, stainless steel appliances, irrigation in the front yard, wired for sound, and a wired generator. This is a colonial classic that was built with love, designed for entertaining from the inside and out. Also, this stunning home has a well-designed floor plan, open concept 1st floor living room with breathtaking views, double French doors that open and connect to your outside oasis, along with an above ground pool. So you get the lake access along with a pool, and this is what $1 million can get you here in Tyngsborough. And that pretty much wraps up everything there is about living in Tyngsborough, Massachusetts.